Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So you must have seen this type of image which is going trending in Instagram. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to create this type of image just by doing a one click. So I will show you in my mobile screen. Open your Instagram account, click on this plus icon and select the image you want to post. So for example, I am selecting this post and click on this filter icon here, you can see, and below you will see the option as LOFLLOE DUSK. This is a filter name. You can search it with any way, like however it is appearing in your mobile phone, and you have to select this. So it will take couple of seconds and you can see how it has been added. So you can click on done, scroll down, and you can download this and you can post wherever you want. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.